If we wanted to change the color of the dress while remaining in RGB, the most obvious choice would be the Hue Saturation adjustment. In general, I don't really like working on synthetic images like this, but in this case I'm doing it to help you understand how this adjustment works. In the 3 strips, I've shown all the possible colors defined by the H angle. In the top strip, the saturation is always 70% and the brightness 80%. In the middle strip, the saturation is reduced to 40%. In the bottom strip, the saturation is again 70%, but the brightness is reduced to 30%. The 3 hue saturation sliders allow us to change the hue, saturation and lightness. By default, the adjustment is global. We can also make local adjustments by choosing a color area as the target of our adjustment. Please note that at the bottom of the panel there are 2 color scales called Before, After. Let's keep an eye on them. In order to limit the effect of the adjustment to a specific color area, we must ensure that the targeted adjustment tool, represented by a finger, is active. In this case, the slider turns into an eyedropper and we can click on a part of the image. At that point, the color patch closest to the color we have sampled will be activated, and the adjustment will be limited to an area characterized by that color. We can, for example, reduce the saturation locally or change the hue, even radically. Please note that indicators have appeared in the 2 scales at the bottom. They delimit the area where the adjustment is taking place. The 2 outer ones define the width of the area, the 2 inner ones the softness of the transition. It is also very important to note another thing. Even though I clicked on the upper strip, the lower ones are also affected. The reason is that the eyedropper only reads the hue, ignoring saturation and brightness. If I clicked in the same color area in the 2nd or 3rd strip, the result would be identical. Let's see if we can apply this technique to a practical case, such as the photo in which we want to change the color of the dress.